India is the perfect emerging market. What does that look like? What's a perfect emerging market?
Sure. Well, the reason that people want to invest in emerging markets to start with is because this is where most of the world's people are. They're younger, their economies are growing faster. And in terms of India, it is leading all of those categories. It's now bigger than China population-wise. It's got more than half of its population under the age of 30. It has the fastest growing economy. It's actually beaten the estimates the last 2 quarters and grown at over 7%. Most of that growth is in consumption. And what's coming along with that is $12 supercomputers. The smartphone is bringing those billions of consumers online for the first time. On top of that, you've got a government that's a democracy that's supporting technology, and you've got a talent pool that's really unmatched on the planet. So it really is, in every way, the perfect emerging market. India has built its own to run the whole country on, and it starts with a program called Adalah, about 800 million people to open a digital bank account using just their fingerprints and their eyeball, and also to open about 500 million new smartphone subscriptions. So they've brought everyone into the financial system, and they brought everyone there in a technological